Okay, friends, welcome to Stock Charts पे चर्चा options चर्चा for the March week 4 coming week March expiry week financial month financial year का expiry week है. Something interesting might happen. So let us see what options data is pointing at and is there any fresh strategy to be looked at which can be worth taking. Let's move ahead. And as usual, this is NSE options chain data. There is no need to look at something else. अगर आपको याद हो सेकेंड वीक ऑफ ऑप्शंस चर्चा में मार्च के सेकेंड वीक में बताया था 15,000 का कॉल एंड पुट विच वाज टोटल वाज अराउंड 700. वन कैन लुक टू शॉर्ट पेयर 15,000 straddle, have a stop loss of 800 and look for the target of 300. Last week, before sudden move has happened, this has dipped all the way below 400. यानी कि 300 प्लस पॉइंट प्रॉफिट दिया है इसने. अगर किसी ने ट्रेड फॉलो किया है टीएसएल तो 300 पॉइंट्स तो 250 पॉइंट्स तो मिला ही होगा. दिस वाज प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन द ऑप्शन प्रीमियम एंड ओपन इंटरेस्ट. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट व्हाट्स इन इट फॉर द कमिंग वीक. एक्सपायरी वीक है, फाइनेंशियल सीरीज फाइनेंशियल ईयर का एक्सपायरी वीक है. समथिंग adjustment if happens big way, the move can be big. And if you observe this, लास्ट वीक अगर आपको याद हो 15,000 के ऊपर निफ्टी सस्टेन कर रहा था मगर 15,000 के कॉल राइटर्स वेर नॉट गिविंग अप. व्हाइल it was clearly we could have seen that last week 14,500 800 14,800 900 के पुट्स में अनवाइंडिंग हुआ था. And if you observe now this week, Nifty, one second. Okay. 15,000 का कॉल का ओपन इंटरेस्ट इफ यू ऑब्जर्व it is still around 44,000 contracts यानी कि approximately 30 lakhs plus. And 15,000 puts which was 15,000 का call and put which were equal. Now 15,000 put open interest is just 16,000 contracts. And unwinding was seen, it was expected because Nifty is below 15,000, it has gone much below. For the coming week 14,800 जो फ्राइडे का हाई भी है 800 के ऊपर, उसका कॉल का ओपन इंटरेस्ट अगर ऑब्जर्व करो it is around 22,000 contracts. That's around 15 lakh open interest, and put has open interest very less compared to call. This is not of much importance to me. What looks more important to me is 14,500. If you observe here, market has rallied from 15,000 below, 14,300, 14,400 below to all the way above 14,800. But this 14,500 call has seen a good writing. 8,000 contracts got added on Friday itself in this 21,000 contracts, which means approximately 50% plus open interest addition, even when Nifty rallied from lows. Look at this 14,600 call writing. And if you observe same on 14,500, there has been huge amount of put writing, and open interest standing is very high, somewhere around near to, this is around 40 lakhs. I think it might be 40 lakhs plus open interest, that is 55,000 contracts into 75. So 40 lakhs plus open interest in 14,500 put, while the call open interest is very, very less compared to that. But the interesting thing is the call writing and put writing which has happened in 14,500 call and put straddle. So and the premium 73 and 320, approximately 400. This premium might dip all the way towards 200 or below. This looks like a one possibility to me that expiry might happen around 14,500 or below. And if it does not start dipping, then expiry move might be towards 15,000. Alternatively, instead of 15,000, the expiry can move all the way below 14,000, provided 14,800 above Nifty does not sustain. This is the next highest open interest after 14,500. 14,800 has a good open interest compared to call and put comparison basis, and also this has seen an unwinding. ये unwinding रहते हुए call writers have moved away, and even after this, if Nifty is unable to sustain above 14,800, then we can expect a move all the way towards 14,500 again. Trying this 14,500 straddle writers might try to do it zero. The 400 मिल रहा है उसको zero कर देते, 100 कर देते, कुछ अच्छा मिलेगा within a week. And if this level does not sustain 14,400, 500 zone, this put writers of 14,500, 14,400 are unable to hold it, then next move can be all the way toward 14,000, because next good open interest chain is around 14,000 put. So यहाँ तक जाना बनता है निफ्टी का. So on in all, as of now, expiry looks like towards 14,500 plus or minus 50 points. But everything will get clear if Monday 14,800 above Nifty sustains or not. अगर 14,800 के above sustain करके close नहीं देता है Monday Tuesday, then expiry might be towards 14,500 or below that. And if it sustains above that, then we might see expiry around 15,000, 15,050 levels. So possibility है कि एक dip दे towards 14,500, वो 14,500 के call puts का premium जो अभी 400 है उसको 200 तक लेके आए, and उसके बाद कुछ real move trigger करे within next 2-3 days. Interesting week ahead. High premiums in options because of sudden moves on both side up and down. So this might be some violent week. Coming week might be some violent one. Any one side. Although bias remains as of now towards downside until 14,800 above it sustains. But never be completely biased in the market. We need to change our view the moment a particular levels are crossed. Be alert with that. And we will be looking at fresh series options from the coming week for the April fresh financial year starting, as well as fresh month. Till then, do watch, subscribe, do share your feedback. Thank you for watching this, and we'll try to update during the week, either in Telegram channel, if there is some big change observed somewhere in option chain or option data, or at least on a price front underlying Nifty. Till then, do watch, subscribe to the Telegram channel, join Telegram channel, do share the videos with your friends, and please do share your feedback. That's it from us for today on this options charcha. Thank you.